How to turn on antivirus on Windows 11. Windows has an inbuilt antivirus which is very powerful. Best of all, it's completely free. To enable it, we first have to navigate to our start menu and tap on it. Then continue to click on settings. Then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Among the list of options on the left panel, make sure to tap on privacy and security. Then with this selected, continue to click on Windows security, which is the first to appear under security. Then with this selected, continue to tap on virus and threat protection. Currently, you could see this sign, which means it's currently not turned on. So we have to make sure it's turned on. Now to get it done, under virus and threat protection, we first have to continue to tap on turn on. A pop-up menu will appear. Continue to tap on yes. Then allow it a bit of moment. And after that, you're going to make sure to tap on manage settings and ensure this real-time protection is toggled on, and the dev drive protection is also toggled on, and the cloud delivered protection is also toggled on. Then when you scroll down a bit, make sure the automatic sample submission is toggled on. Then again, when you scroll down a bit, you will see 𝗕ance protection. Also continue to make sure it's toggled on. Then after that, when you scroll down a bit, you will see control folder access. Make sure to select the manage control folder access. Then after that, continue to tap on toggle folder access on. Then make sure to tap on yes. That's it. You have successfully turned on antivirus on Windows 11. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.